friends, I wanted to share with you our video challenge that we successfully accomplished. That was number 5, find a bird call. So what we did is we went on an adventure to a park and we searched and we searched and we found ourselves some bird calls. So here it is. We're going to share with you. So here we are on our adventure, looking high, looking low, going all over, going up the hills and down the hills looking for our birds. It was tough finding some birds to listen to. We could hear some in the distance. Couldn't quite find them.
On the hill? What about if you kick it down?
We had a strategy. We thought, where are birds? In trees. So we thought we'd look in some trees. And there we found a little chickadee. These are so cute. Here's Mishana's favorite bird sound. I'm trying to get a picture of him, but he's so far away. There he is, the red-winged blackbird. Kind of sounds like a tweedleed. Can you hear that? Music to my ears. There's another one down there. Where is he? There he is. Can you see him? Oh, and here's another one right up close here. Can you see him? Where did he go there? Lost him. There he is. See if he'll give us another sound. So that's another sound they make. Cool. Oh, we just about caught some ducks. They flew away. And there's some ducks out on the pond there. You can hear them. There's a few different kinds of ducks there. Unfortunately, my camera doesn't zoom in anymore to see what kinds there are. And I hear that red-winged blackbird again. So many cool, interesting birds, especially if you go out earlier in the morning. The kids are tackling an adventure and a path in the trees. Did you find any more birds in there? No. You'll never believe what I found. One of Mishana's favorite things. Look at this. A cool stick. That's my favorite. Yes. And as you can see, Sammy likes the sticks too. Okay, so Sam and Slay are on the mission. Still looking for a bird. See if we could find it. Oh, I think I hear a girl. Oh, maybe not. Okay, we found another bird. Not quite sure what it is. It sounds like that. Here's another red-winged blackbird. Oh yeah, Shauna's favorite bird. So they make that chirping sound and they make that tweedly. Look at that. Oh, so nice. And on our adventure, we also found this little blue egg. It's a robin egg. It was so cool. So Soleil recorded all of the things that she noticed, and Sam and Soleil worked so hard drawing their beautiful pictures of their favorite birds. Guess which ones they picked? Oh, a duck. Here's a picture of Sam's duck in his pond and us taking pictures. And Soleil, the red-winged blackbird. What a fun, adventurous day. Thanks for watching.